name is Rachel King. You might need to turn up the volumes a tad bit. I'm just now getting over the flu, which has been a great experience. I live in northern New Jersey with my fiance. I've lived here for probably about 4 years now. I did my undergraduate degree at Montclair State University, and then I did for athletic training, and then I did my master's degree at Liberty University for sports administration. In my undergrad, I did my internship with the New York Giants. Coming from Philadelphia, it was an awesome, amazing opportunity that I was able to do it with a professional football team. Being able to know the players and know the organization was an amazing experience that I'll be always able to share with people. I live now with my fiance. We're getting married July 25th of this year. So it's been awesome being able to plan the wedding and everything, but it's keeping me very busy trying to take these prerequisite classes for PA school. I work at an orthopedic surgeon's office in Wayne, New Jersey, where we do total hip replacements, arthroscopies, you name it, we probably do it. So it's been awesome being able to learn the techniques, learn the post-op time period, being able to know the protocols. It's been able to open up my eyes a lot about what really goes on in medicine. I have 2 cats. I don't want to do the video right now because they are super scary cats of literally anything. We've had them for about 3 years now. They are the ultimate scary cat. If they hear someone knocking on the door, they're running away, so they're probably wondering why I am talking into an iPad. They're probably thinking their mother is nuts. But on my free time, I like to golf. My fiance and I like to golf. If he's not at work, most likely he's at the golf course. Even when it's raining or snowing, he's that crazy person out there. Living in northern New Jersey, we have the beach close by the resort, which is always nice. We're able to just take the drive down there, usually like an hour and 15 minutes, to be able just to spend the day at the beach and then just come back. So we can always make it a day trip. I love to read. Any Nicholas Sparks book, as any female would probably say. I like to have my hands on it and being able to read it as soon as it comes out. And then my mom and I have our little book club in which we're able to gossip and discuss what we thought was great about it. We also like to stay occupied and help out in our church that we go to. We have been newly members of this church, so we're able to volunteer in Sunday school and VBS and arrange for some mission trips and local organizations that are going on. I do believe that if you are religious or you do have a belief, then you're able to share that with other people and being able to minister to others. I'm really looking forward to this class and learning about genetics. I don't know much about it, so it should be quite the experience, and I can't wait to work with each one of you and being able to do this semester.